This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Gala Covey less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 019497773. Exquisite custom home. Sitting on 1.31 private acres with a gated fenced yard and full RV hookups. The open floor plan offers a great room with fireplace and custom built-in niches. The floors are luxury plank laminate flooring with waterproof rubberized under lament. The custom gourmet kitchen comes complete with under-cabinet lighting, walk-in pantry, built-in stainless steel appliances, stunning quartz counters, and center island with marble countertop. A spacious master bedroom suite features a fireplace, built-in niche and 2 walk-in closets. The master bathroom includes a walk-in shower with dual range shower heads, 2 separate vanities at each end of the room and a closeted toilet. 2 more bedrooms, 1 full bathroom and a half bath, both with granite counters for guests plus a bonus room. The landscaped front yard is drought tolerant with front and backyard on drip and sprinkler system and uplighting on plants in the front. The backyard has fruit trees that are on drip system and a garden area. There is a covered porch across the back of the home with outdoor cabinet, sink prep area and outdoor ceiling patio fans. Of course, the ring door security and whole house security system will give you peace of mind as well. This home is so energy efficient you don't need solar. Energy efficient features include LED lighting, V-tec wind resistant roofing, radiant roof decking R13, insulation in the 2x6 walls are 19, and R38 in the ceiling, making this home so energy efficient you won't believe the savings on your utility bills. The 18,000 BTUs fireplaces in the great room and master bedroom to the 5-ton and 3-ton HVAC systems make utility costs very low. For more information, review the details below or contact Gala Covey less than bedroom greater than BRE number 0101397, LIC number 019497773 at 209-532-6993.